Hey friends, if you wish to enable the F8 key and boot to safe mode in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, before I explain this, I need to explain one thing. There are multiple ways of booting into the safe mode, and one of them is the F8 key. But the main method is to go to system configuration, go to boot and check safe mode. But this will be a very cumbersome process if you have to boot into the safe mode frequently. It's okay if you're doing it occasionally, but if you have to do boot into it into the safe mode frequently, then you can enable the F8 key, and the second you start your computer, press the F8 key and you are straight into the safe boot mode. So to enable it, we have a command and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Now this command mentions legacy at the end because this was a legacy feature. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on the as administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. It says the operation completed successfully. Now it may have completed successfully, but it will slow down the booting of your computer a little bit. It will actually disable fast startup. And if you wish to reverse this feature, I mean if you wish to disable the F8 key to boot into safe mode, then simply copy the second command, the standard one. Once it says the operation completed successfully, it will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.